to finalize, the first is sort. This is kind of a summary. You have to choose a section to start and to organize a walk around. You have to take pictures of the current state. So please, again, divide the areas by owners. Then you choose where to start in that area. Take pictures of how it looks like. That's the before. And then prepare the inventory of all the things that you need, and the things that, what's the amount that you need. And what I recommend is that you start working with what I call the action plan. This is a template of an action plan. And what we're trying to do with the action plan is empower the employees to propose improvements. Okay.